Hey everyone, I'll be showing you how to create a monetized faceless YouTube wisdom and stoicism AI channel. Ever wondered how certain YouTube channels manage to accumulate substantial earnings within a short time frame? Today, we are uncovering the secrets of one such channels that is pulling in an impressive $100,000 annually. Stick around to discover how they achieve this feat. In this exploration, we will delve into the success narrative of the YouTube channel Wisdom and Stoicism. Curious about the key to their success? This isn't an isolated case. Many channels out there amass millions of views and substantial earnings. This phenomenon prompts the question: what are the keys to their prosperity and financial success? Stay tuned as we explore the strategies and techniques these channels employ to achieve remarkable results on YouTube. Moreover, we will also guide you through the process of producing similar content tailored for YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, and TikTok. We will take you step by step, from drafting a compelling script and selecting the right visuals, to editing your video to ensure it truly captivates your audience. And stay tuned till the end, as we have an exciting strategy to boost your earnings. Let's kick things off by dissecting the crucial elements that contributes to the allure of these videos. But before we dive into things, if you have an interest in staying up to date with the latest AI tools and discovering how to use them proficiently, you are in the correct spot. This channel is committed to delivering informative content and user-friendly tutorials. We kindly ask for your support by considering a subscription. Let's get started. Creating engaging Stoic videos involves a thoughtful blend of elements that collectively elevate their impact and resonance with the audience. These videos possess distinct qualities that serve as pillars for their allure and effectiveness. One of the pivotal facets contributing to their appeal is the strategic use of dark backgrounds. This choice isn't merely aesthetic, it is a deliberate effort to set a tone of intrigue and sophistication, weaving an atmosphere that draws viewers into the narrative. The canvas of these videos is painted not just by the darkness, but also the melodic cadence of an AI-generated voice delivering the narrative. This unconventional narrator adds an enigmatic quality, lending a sense of uniqueness and novelty to the content. However, as these videos extend in duration, the significance of dark backgrounds might dwindle, giving way to other visual strategies tailored to sustain engagement over a longer period. In tandem with the narrative voice, captions play a pivotal role in these videos. They serve a dual purpose: to keep the audience engaged and to enhance comprehension. These textual aids, when synchronized with the AI narration against the backdrop of darkness, create a multi-layered experience that caters to shorter video formats admirably. Nevertheless, when the duration extends, a broader spectrum of visual becomes crucial. Incorporating a diverse array of visuals synchronized with the script becomes a priority, offering a more immersive and expansive journey for the viewer. Ultimately, the essence of crafting compelling Stoic videos lies in the artful fusion of elements that suit the video's length and content. It is an intricate dance between the atmospheric use of dark backgrounds, the allure of an AI narrator, the support of captions, and the richness of diverse visuals. Tailoring these elements to complement each other ensures an engaging and impactful viewing experience, irrespective of the video's duration. The artistry lies in striking the perfect balance that captivates, educates, and resonates with the audience, leaving a lasting impression that lingers far beyond the video's conclusion. Let's dive into this process of crafting motivational quotes centered around Stoicism. Utilizing the incredible capabilities of AI, like ChatGPT, empowers us to create a collection of profound and inspiring quotes that echo the principles of Stoic philosophy. Stoicism, with its emphasis on resilience, virtue, and rationality, offers a wellspring of wisdom for navigating life's complexities. However, while we are focusing on Stoicism, it is essential to note that the realm of motivational wisdom extends far beyond a single philosophy. We have the flexibility to draw inspiration from various schools of thought within Greek philosophy or even other philosophical traditions that harmonize with our theme. This broader perspective allows us to enrich our script with diverse yet aligned insights, providing a more comprehensive and engaging experience for our audience. Once we harness these AI tools to generate a set of 10 motivational quotes, we will transition into the exciting phase of script assembly. The beauty of this process lies not only in the creation of quotes, but also in their seamless integration into a compelling narrative. The script serves as the backbone of our video content, weaving these quotes into a cohesive and captivating storyline that resonates with our audience. Now, regarding the video's length, the current content might cater more to shorter videos. However, should our inspirations extend to longer formats, the flexibility of AI assistance remains invaluable. ChatGPT can aid in crafting detailed, nuanced, and comprehensive scripts, spanning 4-minute videos or longer, tailored precisely to the depth and complexity we aim to achieve. The journey of script writing is dynamic and adaptable, accommodating varying lengths and intricacies based on our creative vision and audience engagement goals. Whether we are crafting concise yet impactful content or delving into a more extended exploration of philosophical themes, the synergy between technology and creativity will guide us in delivering a rich and immersive viewing experience. Alright, so now that we've got our script in hand, let's take a deep dive into creating a voiceover that is not just good but downright epic. First up, 11 Labs. Think of it as the ultimate playground where words come to life. Here is the deal. Input the chosen quote of yours into the generator. But, and this is key, don't just stop there. Put your personalized spin on it and add a dash of emotion. It is like making your script a living, breathing thing. And you know what really seals the deal? Toss in an extra sentence that make it feel like you are chatting directly with your audience. Choose a voice that matches your style. Once you're feeling the vibes and loving your voiceover, hit the generate button and brace yourself for the awesomeness that unfolds. Now, let us set the mood because every great video needs a killer soundtrack. You can find some real gems on TikTok for motivation, but if you are navigating the tricky waters of copyright, no worries. There is a world of royalty-free options waiting for you on platforms like Pixabay or the Tune Tanks. Pixabay, for instance, makes it crazy easy. Just search for motivation, sample the beats, and when you find the one track that speaks to your soul, just hit download. Your video just got its own anthem. Moving on, let's talk visuals. The eye candy of your video. We are talking captivating images and videos that will make your audience stop scrolling and pay attention. Think pixabay.com, pexels.com, and mixkit.co. These are like treasure troves for visual. Seriously, they are gold mines. You can find everything from breathtaking landscapes to those real authentic moments that tug at the heartstrings. It is like building a visual feast for your audience. Dive in, explore, and pick the pieces that will make your story pop. For those eager to add a personal touch to their visual content, the world of AI image generators is a treasure trove waiting to be explored. Platforms such as Leonardo AI, Midjourney, and the avant-garde DALL-E 3 offer an incredible array of possibilities for crafting custom images. In fact, I have dedicated multiple tutorials in my videos to showcase the step-by-step process of generating stunning visuals using these platforms. If you are keen on enhancing your creative arsenal, I highly recommend checking out these tutorials. They are like backstage pass to unleashing the full potential of AI in visual content creation. Take, for instance, the image gracing your screen right now. It is a product of the innovative Midjourney. However, it is important to note that this image is static, a snapshot frozen in time. Now, if you are looking to inject a dynamic flair into your visuals, tools like Pixelabs or Runway ML emerge as champions in animating your static creations. But truth be told, for shorter videos, adding motion to static images might not always be priority. These static images crafted with precision can serve as powerful visual anchors for our succinct, stoic video narratives. With your toolkit now brimming with essential components, let us plunge into the captivating realm of video editing. This is where your voiceover, meticulously crafted images, and the heart-pounding soundtrack come together to create a visual symphony. Use your preferred video editing software. I personally have found CapCut to be an outstanding free option that packs a punch in terms of features. It is not just cost-effective, but it truly shines in the video editing department. If you are just dipping your toes into the vast ocean of video editing, starting with a free software like CapCut is a wise move. However, for those with a bit more wiggle room in their budget, premium options such as Adobe Premiere Pro or Final Cut stands as a towering titans in the industry, promising exceptional results. These premium tools offer a broader range of advanced features, giving you the finesse needed for intricate and polished video productions. So, whether you are opting for the streamlined free options or delving into the expansive capabilities of premium software, the choice is yours. The journey of video creation awaits, and with these tools in hand, you are well equipped to bring your vision to life. Adjust the aspect ratio to 9:16, suitable for platforms such as YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, and TikTok. If you're working on longer videos, offer an aspect ratio of 16:9. Keep in mind that the guidance provided here is tailored for short videos. Carefully review your footage and remove any segments that do not contribute to the overall captivation of your video. Given the impactful nature of the content we are creating, a single image often suffices. Concentrate on crafting text that is both compelling and engaging, ensuring that the music complements the message effectively. This minimalist approach can frequently deliver more impact in conveying your motivational content. It is emphasized that including captions in your video is vital for a seamless viewing experience, enabling viewers to follow the content even without sound. Many video editing software options feature an auto captions function, similar to the one described here. By clicking auto caption, the software will automatically generate captions for your video. You can then customize these captions to create a visually pleasing word-by-word display that synchronizes seamlessly with your narration. After completing the editing process and ensuring satisfaction with your video, use the export option to download it, ready for sharing across all your social media platforms. This initial step is crucial for garnering views and potentially earning money. Here is an additional tip. Aim to post a video daily or at least 2 to 3 times a week. This frequency enhances your chances of reaching a broader audience through the platform's algorithm. Additionally, consider building your personal brand with a unique logo and name. Concluding with a summary. This provides a comprehensive step-by-step guide for creating a monetized faceless YouTube Wisdom and Stoicism AI channel. Was the process of crafting Stoic videos straightforward and user-friendly for you? Your insights are highly valued. So please feel free to share your comments below. Your unique ideas and personal experiences can offer valuable guidance to those embarking on a similar creative journey. Thank you for watching, and again, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. I hope this video helps you out, and I would love to see you in the next video.